Hello everyone, Scott here with a repair and performance report on this 2-pill BMK amplifier for Gary in Indiana. Gary, as we talked about, got your 22879 transistors replaced, cleaned the amp up a little bit, turned out to be a really nice box. Just like we talked about, it is a Class C AM only amplifier. So with that, we'll jump into performance report. I'll show you what I'm driving it with. I got a 25 watt slug here in the meter on the left. This will be average power and dead key. Keying about 2.5 watts into it. I'll show you average power swing. Hello. About 13 average. We'll jump over here to peak, and it's 50 watt slug and peak. Hello. Audio. It's about 42, 43 peak. All right, we'll change these slugs out here. And we'll put a 500 watt in the, in the peak. And we'll put a 250 watt slug in the average meter here. All right, show you average power swing. Keying about 75, 80 watts. Hello, audio. About 150, 155 average. We'll go over here to peak, 500 watt slug. We'll be reading that middle scale. That 40 and 50 is actually 400 and 500. 75 watt dead key. Hello. Audio. Audio. About 450. Does real well. And Gary wanted to show you, I'm running this on 14.1 on the voltage. Hello, audio, audio. So drawing about 35, 37 amps. Turned out to be a really nice amp. Again, this is AM only. Nice little box. I hope you enjoy it. Take care. I appreciate it.